Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing 4 flavors from the e-liquid line, Vape Like a Savage. Based out of Orange County, California, Savage e-liquid is manufactured in the USA with locally sourced ingredients. These 75VG 25PG blends are available in 60 milliliter bottles in 4 nicotine levels. Underwood is sweet blue candy with just the right amount of tart razzmatazz. I get sweet candy and raspberry notes for the smell. The inhale is a smooth, sweet raspberry candy with sour notes on the exhale. Quinn is a delicious raspberry cookie with hints of sugar and cream. This is my favorite flavor of the review. The smell has a cooling cream blended with sweet pastry notes. For the inhale, I get sweet and creamy notes. The exhale is sweet cookie with light hints of raspberry. Underwood is sweet pink watermelon candy with a twist of sour razzmatazz. I don't really pick up any flavor notes for the smell. Both the inhale and the exhale are very light hints of sweet and sour watermelon. JB is a sweet strawberry slushy with a tropical pineapple kick. I get predominantly sweet pineapple notes for the smell. Inhale is slightly tart and smooth pineapple with sweet, creamy strawberry on the exhale. The Vape Like a Savage line has some great blends. Underwood was a great sweet and sour candy. Quinn was delicious. Underwood was lacking so much flavor, I feel that it must have been a mistake. And JB was cleverly crafted with 2 separate flavor experiences. Overall, an excellent sweet and smooth dessert line. Vape Like a Savage currently runs $22.99 per 60 milliliter bottle. If you'd like to try out the line for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.